Welcome to my channel. Quick solutions for Linksys WRT54G Red light error. 1. Power cycle the router, unplug the power cable, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. 2. Check cable connections, make sure the Ethernet cables are secure between your modem, router, and computer. 3. Restart the modem, unplug the modem, wait half a minute, then reconnect it before turning the router back on. 4. Inspect the power adapter, confirm you're using the original power adapter that came with the router. 5. Move to a different outlet, sometimes the power supply is the culprit. Try plugging the router into another outlet. 6. Hard reset the router, press and hold the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds until the lights flash. 7. Reconfigure router settings, after reset, log in through 192.168.1.1 in your browser and re-enter your internet settings. 8. Update firmware, check the Linksys support site for the latest firmware and update it to fix known issues. 9. Swap Ethernet cable, if the cable is damaged or loose, replacing it can instantly solve the red light error. 10. Test with another device, connect a different laptop or phone to confirm if the problem is with the router or your computer. 11. Place router properly, keep it in a ventilated spot, away from overheating or obstructions that might cause instability. And that's it, you've got a full set of quick solutions to deal with the red light error on your Linksys WRT54G router. Thanks for watching.